In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your Chainlink from your exchange to your Ledger Cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger Cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now, that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken, and we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date, and if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, so let's start. First thing you want to do is have both Kraken and Ledger Live open. I have Kraken on the left side and I have Ledger Live on the right side. Now we want to prepare the Ledger to receive Chainlink. So if I go to the app catalog and type Chainlink, it's showing up here as an ERC20 token. So just to confirm on the left side, which is the Kraken account, I'm going to click withdraw, type Chainlink, and then it's showing me the network Ethereum. So it's a perfect match. They're using the same network. So in this case, I would have to add Chainlink as a token on the Ethereum network. So I'll go back to accounts. I already have the Ethereum app installed. If you don't have it installed, you would have to install it. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click add token. And then just to confirm, I'm going to type Chainlink. This one here looks good. Continue. It's asking me to open the Ethereum app on the Ledger device, so I'm pressing both buttons. It provided me with the address, so I copied the address, I paste it in Kraken. I can add a Ledger, I can add a nickname, so I'm going to call it Ledger Chainlink. And since it's using a network, I like to put it also at the end, so Ethereum. You can also put ERC20 as you wish. Add withdrawal address. I have to confirm it. Here we go. Confirm address. It's been approved. If I go back. Okay, so I'm going to click on the purple amount here so it can send the full amount. Click review. Confirm. Since the address is the same. I mean, I checked it quickly, but you can also take your time to check it. And on the ledger, I just have to press right, confirm, so I can close this screen here in the Ledger Live software. Done. And it should be arriving any moment now. Okay, so as you can see, the Chainlink was successfully received on the Ledger wallet. Now it's time to send it back to the exchange. So I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to click send. Going to add the address here. So to get the address, I'm going to click deposit on Kraken. Look for the chain link. It's called link. Copy the address. Paste it. And it shows that it's running on the Ethereum network, which is good because it's also running here as a token on the Ethereum network. I'm going to click send max. The medium is fine. It's 5 cents versus 99 cents. So I'll take medium. I don't mind waiting a few seconds. The slow one sometimes could get stuck. That's why I prefer not to use it. I mean, it will get unstuck, but I've had bad experiences with it. Sometimes it could take up to a couple of hours, maybe a day. So just medium is fine. And if you notice here in the bottom, it does require some network fees or gas fees using Ethereum. So you must have Ethereum. Ethereum is the last coin that you should send when you have tokens under it, Ethereum and Solana. So same concept. I'm going to click continue, continue. And now it's asking me to confirm. So I'm going to open the Ethereum app by pressing both buttons. It's asking me to review transactions. So press right to this address. Yeah, the address looks good. Ethereum, and then sign. So to sign, I'm going to press both buttons. Okay, so it looks like it was sent. We're going to be able to confirm in a few seconds. You can go under the activity tab and refresh. Okay, it's showing. So it was successfully deposited. It's just going to take a few seconds to confirm, maybe a couple of minutes. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.